Today I'm at the Pearson Airport, and we're actually at the construction site of the Global Manufacturing Centre. We broke ground approximately 3 years ago. In the next 12 months, we're going to be taking ownership of this new facility, and everybody's really, really excited. This private investment Bombardier has made in this manufacturing centre is the largest investment they've made in a manufacturing centre in over a decade.
We have over 300 contractors working day in, day out, building the plant, proximity to Pearson Airport, so you can really get the sense of the level of activity. But also the design, it does incorporate a lot of elements having the employee in mind and sustainable elements looking at environment in the future.
We're trying new things when it comes to the trenches, new things when it comes to the actual materials in the shop floor, translucent mega doors and lighting in the building to try and make it a nicer place for people to work.
Using that natural lighting and using new systems of heating, we were able to reduce energy consumption costs down by 60%. So those are all key elements, part of the design being introduced, making this the factory of the future.
We're giving our employees a world-class facility. So if you can imagine behind me, both global programs are going to be flowing side by side through this facility. It's just going to be really exciting to see.
I'm excited to move in the airport, especially it brings us new growth with me and my family, and it gives us the job security that we're going to be there for the, until we retire.
Artisan is a great future for us. We are ready to go.
I'd just like to take this opportunity to thank the City of Mississauga, the Region of Peel, obviously the GTAA for making this a reality, but also our main contractor, Legcorp. Everybody else, all the contractors, the Bombardier employees, everybody associated, to making this a reality, a big, big thank you.